बोलिए बोलिए।
आजकल देसी लुक में मतलब कुर्ता पजामे में ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं।
यार जिनको जो पहनना है उनको पहनना चाहिए।
Well, it's Raymond Wheel. Like, I think that's the best attraction to it.
I'm a complete jeans and t-shirt kind of person.
Live in denim jeans. If I had my way, I'd sleep in them.
Vidyut Jamal, Isha Kopikar, Sushma Reddy and others graced the launch party of Raymond Wheel store. Take a look.
To be very honest, I love watches. I have a fetish for watches. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरे कलेक्शन में अच्छे watches कम से कम एक तो हो ही, हर एक ब्रांड का, हर एक मेक का. So whenever there is any event launching any watch brand, I just make sure I'm there.
I think it's a very sexy brand. I think they've got like really cool watches. They're very feminine, so it's quite my style. And I think it goes with the outfit. It's meant for every occasion. They're nice, they're chic, and they're beautiful.
I use this watch and I've been using it for a long time. So I like it, and when I got to know that these guys are coming into India and they told me you should come and see, I said yeah, I will be there.
Well, it's a brand that's been around for a long time, and their pieces are timeless and classy. And that's why I'm here.
Well, it's a great brand. It's one of the well-known brands. I'm not a very watch person because for the longest time in life, I didn't even wear a watch. I think the last time I wore a watch was in school. Then 5 years ago, I started wearing a watch because someone gifted me a watch. After that is when I started being on time in life. So I think a watch is very important. And it's one of the premium brands. I mean, it's something that we've all heard about for years. So yeah, we're excited that there's new brands being launched in India. The whole world wants to make India the center of attention, and it feels nice.
Well, it's Raymond Wheel. Like, I think that's the best attraction to it. And as I said, like, this stuff is very chic, and that's what really attracts me because of the chicness. I always like something which is not really edgy, you know. I like the pretty things.
बोलिए बोलिए।
आजकल देसी लुक में मतलब कुर्ता पजामे में ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं। इस बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
यार जिनको जो पहनना है उनको पहनना चाहिए, और अगर कुर्ता पजामा पहनने का मन होगा वो भी पहन लेंगे।
ये अच्छा है, जो जिसमें जो कंफर्टेबल हो. I think that's much better.
What are you attired today?
I'm just wearing a normal white shirt and black trousers. That's it.
This is Troy Costa and regular jeans. Yes, I do love wearing denims because they make you feel good, and you can mix and match denims with anything, whether it's a t-shirt, it's a jeans, it's a jacket. So it's a very cool thing to wear it.
I like to wear denim jeans. I mean, who doesn't? I mean, I think it's the most casual outfit, but it's always, I think it accentuates your body when it's well fitted.
I'm a complete jeans and t-shirt kind of person, and yeah, I love my jeans.
I live in denim jeans. Today is an exception. I was asked not to wear denim jeans. Otherwise, in life, I live in denim jeans. If I had my way, I'd sleep in them. Jackets तो बॉम्बे की गर्मी में पहनना बहुत मुश्किल है. So yeah, if I'm traveling, then I love wearing jackets. But denims and a t-shirt is something I live in. Denim पहनो, heel मत पहनो, makeup मत करो, खाना बहुत सारा खाओ, workout मत करो. That's my fashion mantra.
So I don't have a particular style mantra as such, but the most comfortable I am is in casuals, and yes, I do enjoy wearing them. But if it comes up to be wearing tuxedos or something very formal, I enjoy it too. So.
Wear anything which makes you really comfortable, which makes you feel good about yourself and about your body. Not really follow the trends because trend keeps changing. We are still living in the 70s, but just wear what makes you feel happy and comfortable.
I think it really depends what I'm wearing. Like today I'm wearing this gown, so it works. But I think usually if you see me in daytime, it's going to be always my ganji and my jeans and my t-shirts and my jackets.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.